Right now, let me show you how you can enter the desktop mode on your iPad. So it kind of depends on the specific model you have, but you can go to your settings app, and on the left panel where you can see a bunch of different menus, try to find multitasking and gestures. So this is what it looks like. You click on it like this, and now we have 3 different modes which we can pick between. The first one is full screen apps. That's the usual setup of the iPad, meaning that every single app is in the full screen. Like currently, settings is taking up the full screen, right? I can go home and open up another app like the files, right? And that is also in the full screen. That's fine. That is the usual setup of the iPad, how it's always used to be. But you can also switch from the full screen mode to the windowed apps. And this gets very interesting because this is now technically the desktop mode. You can see now that we still have the app in full screen, right? For example, the Files app is in the full screen, but right now we have the controller in the bottom right corner, which I can grab and resize the window. And similar to desktop, I might have one window open in here. I might click on something else and also resize it and have another window in there. I can go home and open up a third app, whatever it might be, for example, the App Store, and have it in here. So now we are working with the iPad as if it were a computer. Right, so we have the similar controls like on the Mac, the 3 buttons to close the window, minimize, and make it full screen. So you can use it very nicely, you can reorganize it and so on. And this is all made available through the desktop mode, which is called the windowed apps in the settings. So if I close these random windows like that, and if I return back to the settings, you can see that windowed apps is the option which we selected. There is also a third one which is called the Stage Manager. This is very similar, with the difference that on the side next to the main window you have like this panel of the last used apps, which some people like. To be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of it, but you can see that with the Stage Manager it kind of looks like this, that we have one window on the main page and you can kind of like switch between the other ones too, and you can kind of like go back and forth, and it's great for multitasking. It's also technically a desktop mode, but yeah, you can pick whichever one you like, but the point is that this is how it would work. So I hope it helped you out. If you need some more assistance, let me know below. Subscribe for more so you don't miss it, and I'll see you later in future uploads.